Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Felicia from Henry Margu in the color 82733H. I'm going to make a separate color spotlight video for this 82733H, so if you're interested in knowing about the color, make sure you stay tuned to CysterWigs 2's YouTube channel for that information. That's just CysterWigs with the number 2 after it. Anyhow, Felicia is adorable. She's one of those wreck commercial haircuts, very reminiscent of the 80s. It's just really pretty, and the curl texture is very big and round, giving this one the potential for a lot of volume. This is a permateased wig, which means double whammy. You can get even more volume, you know, make your claw hands, think Lady Gaga's monster paws, and just kind of like that. Look at that. And if all else fails, you can always employ the old shake and go technique. Oh my gosh, she's bald. Yeah. And hang her upside down and just do this. Like she's a shake and go. Like this is voltage from Raquel Welch or something. You know, you don't have to be too aggressive about it. Just enough that you're separating those layers out a little bit. I live in the South and I think that this hair would fit right in. It's just great feminine classic style, but again, a lot of curl, big voluminous curls. This will never be a good wig for somebody who likes minimal volume and minimal texture. This is always going to have volume. It's always going to have texture. Nothing fancy. Will breathe very well. Open on the top, bump permatease, especially at the crown, but there's going to be permatease all over the top of this wig. There's quite a lot of permatease on this wig. It's meant to help separate those curls and give you all day volume. So it looks like you spent the whole morning teasing your hair a la the 80s, but you didn't actually do anything other than shake it up, like I showed you. Here it's open on the sides and in the back as well. It does not have an extended nape, but does have Velcro adjuster thingies in the back, and open ear tabs, which are great if you wear glasses, which I usually do in real life. You know, not when I'm in like ultra glam mode, but in real life I wear glasses basically every day, and they're like gigantic nerd glasses. And these open ear tabs are great because you can slide the arm right through the weft. Just don't forget. That way when you go to adjust your wig, your glasses don't go flying onto the floor. So you gotta remember when you do it, but other than that, you're fine. This texture is so pretty, and I didn't do anything off camera with this wig that was not done here. So you saw me style this. So it more or less came out of the box like this. All I had to do was separate the curls a little bit. It's so pretty. Big, bouncy, happy texture. And this is a relatively stretchy wig. I would say that this one fits average, but can be accommodating up to an average large. That's the great thing about open cap styles. They tend to be a little stretchier. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, showing you the Felicia by Henry Margu. Hopefully you get a kick out of this one. I know I certainly do. It looks great in this highlighted color too. Really brings out the curls. But anyway, you can see this and many other Henry Margu styles at my store, which is just CysterWigs, but spelled funny. Thank you so much for watching and have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.